Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening display settings right away. This is where Windows exposes resolution, scale, and orientation. Once done, confirm which monitor is primary because changes apply differently to each screen. Make sure to note current resolution and scale values so you can revert if needed. If you're on macOS, open System Settings Displays. On Linux, search Display or Settings. Now that the correct display is selected, move to adjusting resolution and scale for the desired desktop size. You'll change resolution first because it defines the pixel grid. Pick the native option for clarity, but lower it if you need larger elements. Next, adjust the scale setting to increase UI size without reducing sharpness. Try 125% or 150% if text is too small. Once you hit apply, the system will preview changes. Make sure to confirm within the timeout to keep adjustments. If multiple monitors differ, repeat per display and use the layout preview to drag them into correct physical position. To finish, fine-tune refresh rate and color depth in advanced display options so motion and color match your needs. Higher refresh reduces blur. Once satisfied, restart apps that depend on display metrics. Some require relaunch to resize correctly. If the screen goes black, don't panic. Revert within the system prompt or reboot into safe mode. If options are missing, update or reinstall the GPU driver. This often restores native resolutions and proper scaling behavior. That troubleshooting tip will save time when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.